Hey, smart readers, let's learn more tricky words. Saw. Saw. I saw a red car. Put. Put. Put the toy in the box. Could. Could. I could jump high. Should. Should. You should eat now. Would. Would. I would like juice. Right. Right. Turn to the right. Two. Two. I have 2 cats. 4. 4. 4 ducks swim fast. Goes. Goes. She goes to school. Does. Does. What does he play? Made. Made. I made a cake. There. There. I like their house. Goodbye. Don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe.